Hi, Tweety Girl here. Happy Monday and welcome back to Tweety Girl Blog. Today we spend too much time indoors. Life becomes challenge on a daily basis because of the pandemic. Every day we must choose fear or faith. Every day we must choose health thoughts or disease thoughts. Since you and I are going through this together, I want to invite you and imagine going outside and without into the beauty of nature. The trees, the green grass, the seashore, the multicolors of the flower, the singing birds, and the overhanging skies. Allow your mind to wander. I imagine now that it is a beautiful summer day. The clouds are white, the sky is so blue. It is so quiet and peaceful, and there you are, at ease with the world.